Good morning, children. Welcome to SST class. Children, today we will discuss about chapter 14, Safety First. So, dear children, open your book and see page number 76. Children, in this chapter, some rules are given, some safety rules are given, which you have to follow in your daily life. Okay, let's see the chapter. Think of all the places you visit often. You go to the park or playground, you go to school, you go to busy market, or you go to swimming a pool. Whenever you go, always take care to protect yourself from harm. To be safe, you just have to be more careful. First one is play the right way. It is fun to play in a park or with your friends. But you must not hurt yourself. Look around for any sharp object or glass on the ground. While playing on the slide or swing, never push each other. If there are children younger than you, give them a chance to play. Okay? Then board the bus carefully. You are waiting at a bus stop with your friends and the school bus arrives. Do you make a queue to get into a bus or push and fight with each other? Always make a queue. When the bus moves, sit in one place or you will get hurt if it stops suddenly. Never put your head out of the window or stand by the door. Never run across a busy road to catch a bus. Remember, there are other vehicles going on the road that can cause an accident. So these are the rules you have to follow in playground and when you board the bus. Then care at home. You must protect yourself from accidents at home too. Do not touch electrical plugs or wires with wet hands or you may get a shock. Never use the gas stove on your own. Be careful not to touch hot heaters or ovens as they can burn your hand. Then be aware of fire. Do not play with a matchbox during festivals. You may like to burst crackers. Do it outside the house with an older person near you. Wear cotton clothes while lighting fireworks as silk clothes can catch fire very quickly. Okay, then safety at school. You long for the break time in school after hard work, but do be careful when you play with your classmates or friends. Do not jump from the stairs as you may hurt yourself. Never poke anyone with a sharp object. Do not play with scissors and blades. Okay, children? So, in this way, you have to follow in the schools and at the home and be aware of fire. Then be road safe. The traffic rules. Okay. When you walk on a busy road, obey the traffic lights. Red lights, yellow lights and green lights. What do the colors indicate? Do you know, children? Let's see. People who walk on the road are called pedestrians. You remember? People who walk on the road are called pedestrians. As a pedestrians, you can use a footpath to walk on the road. Cross the road only with an older person at a traffic junction. Remember to look to your right and left and again to your right before you cross the road. Use the zebra crossing to cross the road. Okay, these are the rules when you cross the road. Here children, 3 types of lights are given. Red light, yellow light and green light. Red light means children, you stop your vehicles or when you are walking you stop there. Because the road is busy. Then when yellow light is there, you wait. And when green light is there, you go. Okay, so you should remember the lights and also follow. This is the chapter Safety First. You should remember and also follow the rules at your home, school, playground. Okay, everywhere you should follow these rules. Okay children, and these are some key words you have to remember and also practice 10 times at your home. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.